You've probably seen over 100 videos by now on how to grow your Instagram account, how to blow it up and how to go viral, but none of them have actually done it to their own accounts. Here's my follower count on 100k, the next day on 200k, and a week later I've got the 400k followers, which is nuts with only 69 posts. And if you're looking for proof, here is a scroll through my Instagram account. As you can see, 400k followers, only 80 posts at the moment, and look at the views here. You've got millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views, so what I say does work. Again, here is my TikTok page. As you can see, 500k followers, 20 million views, 10 million views, 6 million views, 5 million views. It does work. Everything I show you in this video, implement it to a T, and it will get you to go viral. This is a rapid growth guide. It'll show you how to blow up your accounts, how to go viral, how to get insane amount of fucking followers. If you follow everything I say in this video to a T, there's no reason why you can't do this. If I can do it, I'm just a regular person. There's no reason at all why you can't do this. The key to going viral and getting your account to millions of views, getting hundreds of thousands of followers is all down to using the Instagram algorithm to your advantage. You need to use and abuse this to get your videos to go as viral as possible, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in this video. When it comes to Instagram, the main thing you need to focus on is Instagram Reels. They are the fucking key when it comes to blowing up your account. Reels are the only thing you need to focus on. I see so many people with the mistake of optimizing their bio, changing their profile picture about twice a week. This doesn't matter at all. When it comes to Reels or any short form videos, you need to focus on engagement. And this is literally the most important thing that determines whether your video goes viral or not, whether it gets you hundreds to thousands of followers. You need to do everything possible to get people to comment on your videos, like your videos, share with friends. All of these will help boost your engagement. The longer people stay on your account, the longer people watch your videos, the more time they watch your videos is going to boost your engagement. This is going to tell Instagram that your videos are good, your content is good, people are enjoying your videos. It's going to push it to more people, and it's going to help you blow up your account and get loads of followers. You've heard this 1,000 times by now, but the first thing you need to focus on is the hook of the video. It is the first 2 to 3 seconds of a video that will determine if your video goes viral, if your video gets views, and overall it will determine the output of your video. You need to do something to grab the viewer's attention, get them to watch the whole video, make them curious, and overall just keep getting them watching your content as long as possible. This is all psychology. As humans, when we meet someone, when we meet a new person, the first 5 seconds of seeing them, we judge them. This is just an instinctual thing. It is the exact same as your content. The second you watch a video, the first 2 to 3 seconds of it, you're watching it, you're analysing. If you're not interested, if you don't care about it, you're going to scroll up, you're going to skip the video, and that's going to hurt your engagement. It's going to hurt your growth of your account, and it's not going to help you go viral. It's basic psychology. You need to get them hooked into the video. You need to get them watching for as long as possible, and this is going to help your engagement and help boost your account. This is one of my videos that got over 6 million views on Instagram and 5 million views on TikTok. So let's have a look at the hook and see why I hooked them in, why I got them to watch the video, and why it got me to get followers. So we're going to analyze one of my viral videos that went very good on Instagram. It got over 6 million views on Instagram nearly, and it got 20 million views on TikTok. So let's have a look at it.
Throughout my 30 kilo weight loss journey, I ate this crispy honey buffalo chicken every single day, and honestly it made losing weight a piece of cake. Start by adding your raw.
So the reason I hook people in this video is because at the very start I got them engaged. I showed them before and after pictures. I made them curious, was thinking, why am I eating this food? How it's making me lose weight, and everything basically is just all to build curiosity to get people hooked in the video and watch as long as possible. So when you're making any video, any hook whatsoever, you need to have a bit of curiosity at the start. It can be something outrageous, you could say something controversial, anything like that, but the hook is designed to keep people watching the whole video the whole way through. So if you don't have a good hook, they're not going to watch the video the whole way through. And the reason I got 256,000 likes on this video is because my hook was unbelievable, and because the hook got people intrigued and got them engaged and wanted them to watch the whole video. When it comes to hashtags, people think hashtags are dead, but they're more than likely not. Every one of my videos that I've gone viral in, every one of my videos that got tens of millions of views, I have used hashtags. When using hashtags, you need to use broad hashtags. So broad hashtags mean it's covering a massive range of topics. So at the bottom of the description of your videos, include 5 to 10 broad hashtags that are to do with your niche. So just say when I type in hashtag fitness into my videos, it shows there's millions of posts that are to do with this topic, which is perfect. So in my videos, I mostly cover fat loss and I cover food. So what I do for my hashtag is hashtag recipes, hashtag healthy, hashtag fitness, hashtag fitness tips. These are all massive broad niches. Again, they are all used to help Instagram categorize your content. So when people look up food, when they look up anything that's to do with your content, Instagram is going to show your video sim. It's going to help categorize your content. Again, it's all to do with Instagram categorizing your content, keeping your content engaging, and making sure Instagram understands what your videos are so they can promote it to people that are interested in the topic that you're talking about. So you need to make this as broad as possible. Hashtags aren't dead. Always use hashtags in your videos. The next thing you need to do is you need to follow between 50 and 100 creators that are in the same niche as you, and you need to engage with their content. When they post a reel, comment on their videos, like their videos, engage as much as you can with other people's reels. This again is going to help Instagram determine your account. It's going to help clarify what your niche is. It's going to help Instagram be able to show your videos to people that are interested in the same topic as you. This again is going to help the Instagram algorithm categorize your videos, categorize your content, and categorize everything that is in your profile. Again, it's going to help specify your niche, show your videos to people that are interested in you. But again, even when you engage with other people's videos, they're going to engage with your videos. They're going to help boost your account. They're going to help give you extra likes, and overall, it's going to help your account tremendously. People overlook this next thing, and this is subtitle. You need to add subtitles to your videos. Almost half the people that watch videos on Instagram, that watch reels, they're watching their content with their audio turned off. Most people could be at work, they could be in a quiet place, they mightn't be able to use sound. This is why you need to add subtitles so people can still watch your videos, follow along. Again, this is going to boost your engagement. Again, if someone watches your video for 2 seconds and they don't know what's going on, they're going to skip the video. They're not going to watch the video the whole way through. This is why you need to add subtitles. It's going to boost your engagement. It's going to boost your overall follower growth, and it's going to boost your views. The easiest way to add subtitles to your video is by an app called CapCut. You can download this on your phone or your PC. With 1 or 2 clicks of a button, you can add subtitles straight away, and that's going to help boost your engagement just by 2 clicks of a button. This next thing is vitally important, and it will help you boost your views double straight away, and this is the time of uploading. The thing is, people upload videos at random times during the day, and this is not right. You need to find when your Instagram audience is active. You need to upload your videos at that time. This is why some people, if they upload videos at 2 o'clock in the morning, who is going to be on their phone at 2 o'clock in the morning? There's no one on their phone at 2 o'clock in the morning. Well, some people, they can't sleep. But if you're not uploading your videos at the right time, when your audience is on Instagram, on their phone, it's going to drop your views significantly. So you need to find the time when your audience is active. You need to find out when your followers are active, and you need to upload at these times. Here are my insights on my account right now when my followers are active, and this is the times I upload. Instagram has made things so easy for you now. So let's just say you're not able to upload a video at the time. You can schedule content. When you're uploading the reel, you can click on advanced settings, schedule your content, and you can upload it at exact same time you want every single day. You can keep uploading at that time and make sure your videos are getting views, giving that boost to the algorithm, getting you the engagement, and overall helping you blow up your account. When it comes to how many reels you need to post a day, you need to focus on quality over quantity. I see so many people posting 5 or 6 videos a day, and their content, to be honest, is fairly shit. You need to focus on your content, get all these strategies in this video right, make sure everything is nailed to a T, and it's always quality over quantity. Realistically, you should be spending 30 minutes to an hour on your reels. You need to put time and effort into your videos. This is why I only had 69 posts and I got over 400k followers on Instagram. And if you ask me, that's a nuts ratio. There's so many people out there who be posting thousands of videos, 4 or 5 videos a day over the space of a few years. Their videos don't go viral, their accounts don't go up, don't blow up. This is because they're focusing on quantity over quality. You need to always focus on quality, as the more quality your videos are, the better they are, the more people will like them, and overall they're just going to be a better quality content. The thing is, people are following to be entertained, they're following to learn something, so you need to teach them, you need to keep them entertained. And if you're putting out 5 videos a day, they're not all going to be entertaining, they're not all going to be educational, they're not going to help people. This next thing might sound so simple, but you need to niche down. You need to get your content and niche it. The amazing thing about the Instagram and TikTok algorithm these days is when you niche your content, TikTok and Instagram can push your videos towards people that actually want to watch your videos. So it doesn't matter what niche you're in, whether it be fitness, whether it be food, anything like that, it's going to work. How many times have you been on TikTok and you've been talking about something during the day and all of a sudden it comes up in your For You page? This is why there's so many niches that work. Any niche can work these days, and you don't have to stick to a specific niche to go viral. The niche I picked was food and fitness, but it doesn't matter what niche you're in, whether it be beauty, whether it be painting houses, it will work, as TikTok and Instagram favour your content. They push it towards people that actually want to watch it. So what you shouldn't be doing is you shouldn't be dispersing your content over a number of niches. You should have different pages for this. On your one Instagram account, you should be focused on that one thing. So you shouldn't be posting one day about gardening, the next day about fitness, the next day about beauty, next day about painting walls. You need to hone down on that one niche. So if your niche is fitness, you need to bang out fitness, put all your videos into fitness. If your niche is makeup and beauty, make all your videos about makeup and beauty. Again, this will help the algorithm categorize your content, show it to people who actually want to watch it, and overall help your account blow up and get you them followers you want. Instagram stories are not as important as you think to blow up your account. How many times have you just clicked onto someone's story, swipe away straight away without even remembering what you even just saw? But if you want to use Instagram stories, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks that I use to help boost my engagement and get my account shown. First thing you need to do is share your reels to your story. So when you post a video, when you post a reel, share it to your story straight away. Every time someone watches that story and watches it through the whole way, that counts as a view for your reel. It's going to help boost your engagement, and it's going to keep pushing your videos out to people that want to see them. Again, I've said this 1,000 times, everything is to do with engagement. The longer you can get someone on your page, the longer you can get them to watch your videos, the more content you can get them to watch, the more times they comment, like, everything like that is going to boost your account, going to help fave your account on the Instagram algorithm. Like when you share your video to your story, if you have the hook nailed, if you have everything nailed to a T, people are going to be interested. They're going to click on your reel from your story. It's going to boost your views straight away. Make a series of polls on your story with questions to do with your niche and try and get people to answer them as much as possible. Make them engaging and make them entertaining, and again, target them towards your niche. End of your videos is almost as important as the start of your videos. What you need to include at the end of your videos is a call to action. So a call to action is basically telling people who are watching your video that they need to follow you. The thing is, when you're watching a video, if the person doesn't mention to follow you, you're not going to follow them. You need to give them this incentive to follow you, to boost your follows. Again, when they follow you, they're going to watch your next few videos, they're going to watch your account, they're going to click onto your page. It's going to help you boost your followers tremendously. If I did not include a call to action in my viral videos, I would have not gotten as many followers as I did. You need to include a call to action. Always put them at the end of your video. Don't put a call to action at the start of your video. People are going to click away straight away. If they think you're desperate for views, they think you're desperate for followers, they're not going to follow you, and they're just going to scroll up and pass your video straight away. So you need to include a call to action at the end of your video. Give them a reason to follow you. In my videos, I always include a call to action that has to do with the video. I will relate that call to action back to the video. Just like I'm adding a call to action right now to make sure to subscribe to my account right now to help boost your account. If you want to blow up on Instagram, you want to get millions of followers, hundreds to thousands of likes, make sure to subscribe right now so you're not missing out. This isn't going to last forever. The Instagram algorithm is going to change. You need to do this right now before the algorithm changes, before they introduce new systems to the algorithm that causes people not to go viral, as this won't last forever and it's now or never. In the description, I'm going to leave a free document for you to download. It's going to be a game plan for everything I've mentioned in this video. It's going to help you be able to strategize your content, plan your content to get it to go as viral as possible. So it's going to have a list of everything I've included in this video, going from the hook to the call to action. It's going to be ticking off the boxes, showing you what you need to do. So make sure to check that in the description. It's free to download. And once again, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, as this isn't going to last forever. The Instagram algorithm is going to change. If you want to blow up your account, now is the time, now or never. So once again, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.